Hi guys, this is Savage D, Speed Savages. We are in the blue Lamborghini Huracan convertible, cruising around Beverly Hills. If you see us, yeah, wave to us or say hi if you want. Pretty much we're just cruising, having fun. Yeah, there's the guy. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any suggestions for videos, please let us know, and we will try our best to do them. Alright. Oh, this thing hums really good, actually. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. We did a $10,000 exhaust on this huracan, so that's why it's really loud. And we tuned it. Yeah, you're right. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Love how it pops.
Oh yeah, the way it pops is just right on.
It's a beautiful car. Hopefully next year we'll have some new cars.
Which we probably will.
Most likely, yes.
Yeah. Most likely Evos, 488s, all that good stuff.
A new McLaren.
I don't like McLaren. They break down too much.
I know.
Yeah, they're really nice, but they break down.
True.
So I don't know. What do you think,
They're
Ed?
not good.
Yeah. Because they're made to get a beating out of it.
Yeah, they last
And we drive these cars savage. So. Oh, God. Just in case you guys wondering, I'm the cameraman.
Yep. So we're going to keep on doing videos.
Oh. Okay, guys. Downshift to give a little bit of chimichangas. People's reactions are priceless.
Yeah,
I mean, priceless.
What the fuck is that? They're like, what is that?
Oh yeah, we rev that shit, it revs. Here we go, we're gassing it. Oh God. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. That's why they call us Speed Savages. We're savages for a reason.
We like speed.
Woo. You shift pretty fast, Dad.
Oh yeah, I'm a pro shifter.
No, you're not.
Yeah, yeah.
You wish you were.
No, I'm a redliner.
If you redline the car, it's gonna break on you.
No, we don't redline. We only go to 7, 6.5.
Maybe 8 if we're lucky.
No, not even. This car you don't even. This car is so fast.
If you guys can hear the engine, it's a V10.
Yes.
My dad was thinking, do you guys think my dad right here should dress up as the Grinch, get in a green Lamborghini Huracan, and drive it for a YouTube video? Let us know in the comments down below if you think we should or not. And thank you for watching. We are going to Beverly Hills, probably going to cruise around and then go. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay savage.